Welcome to this unboxing video of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is a real quick unboxing, just showing you everything that comes with the kit because we have a few surprises here and there. So this is the FlyMore combo with the DJI RC2. Here is the carrying bag of the Mini 5 Pro, and these are definitely starting to win me over. In the past, I never used those bags. Now I'm starting to really enjoy them. We can see we have a little bit of an update of the design of the bag, which looks a little bit more modern now. And of course, everything that we care about is inside this bag. So starting out first, we have the USB-C cable to charge. We have some extra propellers. Since this is the FlyMore kit, obviously we have some spare props, which are labeled A and B, so you know which way they go. Then we have arguably the biggest surprise, or at least I didn't know that we get ND filters inside the FlyMore combo. So this is a huge thing because now straight away after unpacking the drone, you can start flying and record cinematic footage with it without having to compromise with the settings. Previously with other drones, that was not the case. You had to order them separately, you had to wait, get another package, and so on. So this is a huge time saver, and it's also bundled in the price, which is a great touch from DJI. Really happy to see those ND filters on board. Next we have some stickers, and this is another surprise. We have some additional stickers here that we can put on the drone with the C1 label. The drone is labeled as C0, so this is a little bit of a, I'm not sure how to call it. It's a surprise for me because you can still keep it as a C0 labeled drone, but if you request a higher altitude from DJI, there's a way to do that. I have explained that in another video. Then the drone becomes a C1 drone, so it changes its category. So that's an interesting thing. Here we have the DJI RC2, a pretty straightforward design that we've seen before in many other drones. Nothing new here. Everything is the same. The remote is a great remote controller. I highly encourage you to use this instead of the DJI RC N3 because that's a very old design and it's not really practical to use anymore. Here we have the charging cradle, which holds 3 batteries in total. One is on the drone and 2 additional ones are in the cradle already. So these batteries are the regular ones. Now, one thing you have to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is that there will be 2 versions of the batteries that the drone comes out with. So this is the regular version of the drone battery, which flies for about 36 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. And there is a plus version of this battery that flies for about 50, I believe. So that's obviously a lot heavier, and then the drone's weight completely changes. But check out the drone here. It looks like a mini Mavic 4 Pro with this new strap mechanism that holds not only the gimbal but also the props. It's a new design again. DJI keeps changing this design. Almost every model that they release has a completely different strap design, and this gimbal cover is quite large, I have to say. But another thing that's quite large is the 1-inch sensor that you have on the Mini 5 Pro. So we have LiDAR on the front, 1-inch sensor camera, we have obstacle avoidance in all directions, and now the Mini 5 Pro is a non-compromise mini drone that can do it all. I'm so excited, so pumped for this drone. It's going to be such a beast for so many people. It will just take them to the next level when it comes to flying a drone and what you can do with it. So this camera rotates exactly the same way as the one on the Mavic 4 Pro. So you can do this infinity gimbal type of shot that the Mavic 4 Pro was highly popular for when it first released. And this is how the drone looks like. You can use true vertical mode on this drone, so it's not limited in any way, shape or form, unlike the Mavic 4 Pro. So here, if you want to shoot vertically, you can shoot however you want, in any angle that you want, without any limitations of the gimbal, without any limitations of the rotation of the camera. You can do everything you want with this drone. So I'm super excited about this drone. Check out my full review of the Mini 5 Pro, which is already posted, and be on the lookout for more drone videos. Take care.